There is an option in Google Ads Manager named Segment tab. If you want to check what conversion action has given you most amount of results, you can check. If you want to check the click type in campaign and ad group level, you can check. But I really didn't know before that on keyword level we can do that. So if I go to the keywords level, if I do segment, I can check the search terms match type. If I click on it, I get to know like what match type have given me most amount of results. So right now you can see this phrase match keyword has given me 2 results. Broad match keywords has given me 1 result. So further I can apply it to my next campaign strategy and use it out. So if you found this video helpful, do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.